A, E, C and D, E, B are chords of a circle. So A, E, C and B, E, D. AE is X, CE is 2X, BE is 6 and DE is 27. Calculate the value of X. So this is a simple question about intersecting chords. So for intersecting chords, AE and the intersect inside the circle is equal to CE, which is equal to BE times DE. So that's going to be equal to X, putting the values in, times 2X is equal to BE, which is 6, times ED, or DE, which is 27. This becomes 2x squared, and this becomes 6 times 27, which is 162. Dividing by 2, we're going to have x squared is equal to 81, and therefore x will be equal to the square root of 81, which is 9. Okay, so this has been a video to calculate an unknown value using intersecting chords. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.